Shall we surprise our lecturer today? We love you, sir.
And we were friends.
My Nigerian people don't bring no bunga Bishop news story. My name Nandehi. Make a sharply yarn on a story website. It just happened. This Nigerian lady don't come out con the yarn for on top this video. Say get one of her friend, we be guy, we be Yoruba man, we go vote for President Bola Ahmed Tinubu for inside the 2023 general election. Saying na so two of them not on they talk again. So after some years, na so the guy can't call her for phone. Con they beg, say be like saying go need small assistant to wave money. Say make she borrow money. And so she can't tell the guy, say no go give her money or say because now the choice we say they make to vote for President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Now make us still did like this. And so the guy can't reply her, say make she not worry. Say like this now. Say even for inside 2027, say him go still vote for President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Say because now in choice, now be that one.
I stopped talking to this guy like 2 or 3 years ago because he voted for Tinubu. And why? Because he's Yoruba. So tell me why this guy reached out to me 2 days ago. Yeah. And at the end of the conversation, I need this amount to quickly run something. And coming to that, tell him that Shebi, you brought us into this situation. It was your choice and decision. Let Tinubu help you. This one is my own decision. Sorry, I cannot help you.
Niabia said the Global Police Command don't come out to Konyano say they don't catch one man with 47 years old man wey name be Chukwuemeka Nwabilo and they catch him with voters registration machine of Independent National Electoral Commission wey be INEC and now for inside one football field for inside MBC Isialangwa North local government area of Abia State. Now they catch him through wey be saying carry INEC machine con they use and they register plenty people them. As the Global Police come at contact say they don't arrest and like this and in go face the law.
Thank God for the policemen we have here in this Lamba. The fact is, I can't go back to what could you go make him to do this kind of thing.
The Emir of Kano will be Mohammed Sanusi II don't come show for on this picture. I think on enter class for 200 level for law students for inside Kano State. And come at con share this picture on Tuesday will be January 20th, 2026. I think go start to the study law. These Nigerian students they don't come gather together to surprise their lecturer as they come shocktalize the lecturer. We made them come print better picture of the lecturer. Also come bring ogbonge gift, different gift as all the children for inside the class. Come they bring out different gift to give the lecturer. We made the lecturer come shocktalize and surprise. As in come they cry because of the love where the student they show them. They don't catch this man. We come out come talk say no work for inside Nigeria. Now make am to go to tiftalize something. I think can go break it enter inside one electrical store waiting for Lekki area to go tiftalize wire. But before you know, I saw lock can run out of him as they can catch him for inside the store when you go to tiftalize the electric wire for Lagos State. And then they catch him on January 22nd, 2026. Now they catch him.
Who sent you? Who they say I'm for Jack on the who? Waiting be name. Waiting be name.
The Global Police said Abuja don't come out to Konyano say they don't carry 11 suspects. The website they join body take by the Arise news journalist where name be Somto Chukwu Maduago and also the security guard where name be Barnabas Dalami and they carry the take go court on Wednesday will be January 21st, 2026 for inside the Federal Capital Territory Court. And then they carry them. They go. Reverend Ezekiel Dachomo don't come out to come they beg Nigerians for their prayers. So after when they come out to come Yane, say in get liver disease. And according to how they hear the to saying we don't do surgery before, we be saying wife can't donate liver, they give them as they can't do liver transplant for them. Say but late last year will be 2025, they can't discover saying they can't go get another liver disease. As like this now, they go need to carry them. They fly, they go India to go operate them. As soon as they ask Nigerians, say me they pray for them. Say may God help them for this sickness when in the face. The former governor of Edo State and also Senator Adams Oshomole don't come out to come the yarn on top this interview where they do for Channels Television with Sheun as in come out to come the yarn. Say like this now, say plenty Nigerians they don't they happy they jubilate say because the cost of food don't reduce well as they come they buy food cheap where for inside Nigeria. As plenty Nigerians they come out come they question them. Say make intended Nigerians they will say they come out come they talk say food don't they cheap. Say because like this now, say hunger won't move by them.
There are Nigerians now who are saying
cost of production,
food is becoming too cheap because Cost of living is what now? It's higher now?
No, I'm saying that from
The president of America will be Donald Trump don't come out to come the yarn again. I think on the talk say American forces there will be American militaries they say they're not ready to deal with Omila terrorists there with the occupy Christians for inside Nigeria. I come out to come yarn this talk during the Board of Peace signing ceremony for the sideline of the World Economic Forum for inside Davos for Switzerland. Now I come out to come yarn this talk on Thursday will be January 22nd, 2026. Now yarn this talk.
And in Nigeria, we're annihilating terrorists who are killing Christians. We've hit them very hard. They've killed thousands and thousands of Christians. What's that all about?
This Nigerian woman wey her name be Kupola Ajoke, wey the ogbonge Nigerian musician and also producer will be Don Jazzy, be dash 6 million naira for inside 2025 wey be last year. She don finally come to Ama comot for inside Nigeria. She come snap picture, come write some note to come dey tag ogbonge music producer will be Don Jazzy, saying try well say because na the gift wey be saying give her with the 6 million naira when he give am 9 used take to Ama, they land for inside United Kingdom. This story not come sweet belle at all. Family and friends don't come out to come they mourn their friend after they come out to come yarn. Say she just do a convocation for inside University of Lagos will be Unilag. As they come out to come talk, say the next day, and so she come hospitalize. We make all their department people and friends them and family them come they post a picture on the show. Say this kind story, say break their heart well.
Now Bishop News O'Clock, my name is Nanehi. Make una enjoy your day.